Trees moving. I'm beginning to wonder if I'm allergic to plastic now. Wherever I set this camera, my arm itches. They dropped the guy down through the top of the tree. I'm content watching. I'm not gonna. There's no way I'd ever do that. It's probably still hung up on something.
Yeah, it's gotta be because
there's all those vines and crap.
The vines will snap when the crane lifts it out. Or at least I think they will. But I don't know. I'm not a tree expert.
yeah, that's the time. Well, according to Matthew, there's 3 ash trees. 3 ash trees. There's only 3 ash trees.
There goes the tree movement.
They brought all this in.
Look at that. Oh, gosh. That's cool.
Wow, look at that.
That is so cool.
Yep, that's what he had to do. He had to unhang it from the other trees. The interlocking branches, probably.
That is so cool.
That's one guy up there by himself.
Jeez. You didn't see me up there.
Yeah, it's all those vines right there. See all those vines?
Yeah, those things can get paint.
They're a pain in the badootie. There we go. Wow, look at that. See, I knew look at that. Wow, look at those vines. Holy. Wow, look at that. That's amazing. Oh, there's the guy that they put in the top of the tree, right there. Oh, they are going to go over the building. Wow. That's just amazing.
I got that one.
Isn't that amazing?